Alright guys, so next I'm going to show you guys the product research academy process. Now this is how you find products to sell, products that are already selling, products that people will buy, So this is not rocket science, like it's so easy because it's going to be something proven, like it's already selling, it's already has high people love it. And things to consider when you're getting a product to sell is, the first one is it should be a problem solver. Like what problem is it solving? Like is it solving bad pay? Is it solving injuries? All type of problems that exist out there. What type of problem is it solving? Yeah. The next one is it should have a wow factor. Something that amazes people, something that will make people want to show it to their friends and their family members, like, hey, check out this cool product. It also has to have a unique or innovative factor, yeah, and also it has to be already selling somewhere, and it's not found in stores easily. Like it cannot be found in Carrefour, it cannot be found in other stores easily, because somebody buy from me something, you can just go to the store and buy it at a cheaper price and at a faster time. Then use emotion to sell, because people buy things based on emotion, and then they use logic to justify it later on. And one of the ways to find winning products is you go to Facebook, search free shipping, and then go to videos. You just see all those videos are products that are winning. My favorite one currently is just typing in like cool products 2020, for example, the niche here, which can be beauty blog. So that's what I'm going to use in this audio. So I'm going to go ahead and search here beauty niche cool products. Beauty niche cool products 2020, and yeah, as you can see here, there's a couple of options. It's Orbello, Zcom Dash, best e-commerce niches of 2020. Okay, that seems interesting. Let's just look at this. So basically, one thing you should consider buying products is, let it impress you. So as you can see here, this shows how e-commerce is going to grow over time. Right now we're in this timeline, 2020. It's predicted to grow to 4.1 trillion, and it should be higher than this because it's the current, the previous events that happened and currently happening right now. For example, the coronavirus has forced everyone to just jump online. As you can see here, one product we have is this cellulite removal. I don't know what that does. As it shows you everything with a graph. This is Google Trends. Google Trends is like how you see how the product is doing. Like, is it rising? Is it falling? Because you don't want to enter a product that is going downwards. That will be your loss. These products are not yet impressing me. I'm seeing a vape, e-cigarettes. Okay, don't know how to find guys who smoke, but it looks to be climbing really high. Let's continue scrolling. Drones and drone accessories. And if you're starting out, I don't recommend you to start with high price products because it takes more to sell them. The drone is a 5 billion industry and it's expected to take off. Okay. Selling subscription boxes, online food delivery, sell denim jackets, headlighting, shipware online. Okay, this one here you can target women, beauty-ish, and the fitness niche, women basically. This is like products outside. that are doing well outside of Africa. This is Jumia, as Africans, like for example, hair removal for women. Very few women who actually do that for. And it's the truth. I'm trying to hide anyone's feelings, but yeah, that is it. I want you to see the product that impresses me, but if you see any that impresses you here, you can go ahead and go to the next step, which is going to Gigi. I'm liking the product, so I'm going to go back to the search options and check out this cloud rate. So check this out. That's okay. Portable blender, wireless phone charger. Okay, that looks interesting. Wireless phone charger. So all of these products. Question is a portable blender. For Windows right now, so we don't need blenders. So you can also use current events to predict how people's buying behavior. Currently, for example, a lot of people are so Windows and actually traveling far to doing outside, so some stuff won't be needed as much. So this looks interesting. Wireless phone charger. The next thing is more accessories. Okay, this is a low price product, $10 to $15. So you know what, instead of scrolling endlessly, I'm gonna go with this one, the wireless phone charger. So my next step in finding the product now, this product, you cannot find it in a store here in Kenya already, just laying around. So the next step is you go ahead to Gigi. This is the process I'm showing you now is in Kenya. So what you go ahead to Gigi and search for wireless phone charger. So let's see. Okay, I'm seeing one. Okay, it's a couple. I'm not seeing one that impresses me yet. So actually, when you find one that looks similar, okay, this one is about price. I don't know why. Okay, this is a wireless phone charger. It's very interesting for iPhone users, and it's saying it's 1,800. So what you can do here is go ahead and contact the seller. So what you can ask him is, do you have a bulk? Which is the wholesale price. Start talking about. This is one of the ways to source your products. Because now after here, to finding your products, you go back to your seller center and log in. But before you do that, go to Jumia and search for wireless phone charger. You can see most of these are shipped from abroad, from China and all that stuff. So what I usually do is I just press here, ship from Kenya, and at your seller center, go ahead products and add products. Jumia usually asks people to attend the training, so when they ask you to attend their trainings, make sure you attend them and just come back and do your stuff here. So what you do is go back to Jumia, look for ones that is similar to what you're selling. Yeah, this looks similar. This actually my store, this is mine. Yeah, you can see here South Store. Yeah, I'm selling this. So then my switch to the past. So what you do is to start selling, go ahead and follow these steps. Phone and tablets. To add the products, come here and look for phones and tablets. Phones and tablets is right there. Chargers and power adapters. Getting back from the accessories. Okay, yeah, charging the power adapters. So now you select. Once you select this, one way. Now go ahead and type in the name of the product. And one way to make sure Jumia doesn't reject your products, make sure you are listing the correct item. The best way to do this is go ahead and fill in the product description, the name, 3-in-1 wireless charger, brand here is going to be generic. In terms of brand name, make sure you contact Jumia to get one for you. They should teach you all this when you go to attend the training. So next, when you come to enter the product description here, like the product information, the color family, one thing that can make you stand out from your competition is the description. What you can do is come and look at the person's, like my description, come and look at my description. They're selling the same product, so you can have the same description, but how can you make the description stand out? How can you make it better than mine? One way is to go to Amazon. Amazon is a more advanced online selling platform out there, and usually have amazing phone descriptions. So just go ahead on Amazon and look for the product you're selling, or this similar one. Like you see this one here. And Amazon is one of the ways you can show that this product is actually selling, because you can see 2,000 people or 2,300 people bought this. Apply here $30 and start money already a retired person. So this is where I go. Copy the description here. Go ahead and copy the description. Then come and paste it in yours, and then make sure you read through and edit it to remove branded names, unnecessary names. You can go ahead and even add pictures. Just come here, copy the image address, come back. Those pictures just make your stuff more interesting. Make sure you get the pictures of the product, so make sure you're not trying to sell a different image, and then once people order, you take to them another different product here. That's some picture. Now, by having pictures, you already beaten my product. It just already looks cool enough. Before reading the description of the product, you can add pictures of people using it, people lifestyle and all other stuff. So that's one way you can stand out from the competition. The other way is your products. The other way is your product positioning. Your product positioning, because when you're selling in a place like Jumia, there are two things that will help to differentiate you from the rest. One is, are you selling something at a lower price, or are you providing something with a unique aspect? You know, so it's done either cost advantage or differentiate for advantage. You know, so you can have direct competitors like people who sell unpaid products in the paid niche. You know, so go ahead and create your products, add them to your listing, and Jumia will approve them. Once Jumia approve them, they'll give you a message back. And for now, I guess I'll leave the guide. Watch you guys and see you in the next